Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Natalie Attired style subscription box to share with you. I'm so pleased that you stopped by to see what I got. Last month, my Natalie Attired was awesome. I bought everything. I got a great discount. Natalie Attired has one of the best discounts if you purchase all the items in the box, but they also offer a really nice discount if you just purchase 3 or 4 items. So I love this box. There's a $20 charge with this box. That's a styling fee, but I can use that $20 towards anything I keep in the box if I purchase anything. And postage is free with Natalie Attired. They do enclose a mailer, and anything that doesn't work for me, I can just send back. And it's very easy. So if you would like to try Natalie Attired for yourself, or you just want more information about the company, I've left everything I know in the description box below. I do have a referral code as well. Just a big shout out to the viewers that support this channel by using my links. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's open this box. Okay, here it is. This is the inside of the box. The Natalie Attired boxes are always so beautiful, the presentation. And usually right on top is a handwritten note from my stylist. And again, it's Annie. She says, "Hi Kelly, I've included a collection of tops for fall. The cardis have been super popular. A couple of the pieces have rayon, but don't wrinkle. Hope that's okay with you, Annie." So the reason she mentions the rayon, because I have asked all of my stylists to not send 100% rayon because it wrinkles so badly. And yes, I do own an iron. I own a steamer, and I can make a garment look fabulous on a hanger, but when you put it on your body and wear it and it wrinkles and you look like you slept in it, it is not a look that I am going for. I do not mind rayon if it is blended with spandex or anything else. Just blend that rayon and I'm all in. So let's see what exactly this rayon is. Oh yeah, and then there's the invoice, which we'll look at last, and the mailer, so I can mail anything back. I hope I don't have to use the mailer. This is what the bundle looks like. Okay. And if this is a cardigan, I probably do not need it. I have so many burgundy cardigans, unless this one is really excellent. I'm already guessing this is going back. So this is how they send this. The top inside the cardigan. Isn't that a great look? The animal print with the burgundy cardigan. Okay, and this cardigan is a Longline Cardigan, so I do like that. And Annie knows I love pockets. Thank you, Annie. Okay, let's look at the top. This top looks special. Oh, Miss Kayla, are you watching? Are you guys familiar with Kayla from Kayla's Closet? She is an animal print lover, and she can rock it. I'm telling you, every time I get an animal print top, I always think of Kayla, and I always wonder if I could be as cute as Kayla. Do you have this one, Kayla? This one is so cute. Okay, is this the rayon? This feels like a polyester blend, and it is 100% polyester. So this is a Kelly top. Kelly likes polyester. It wears, it washes, it doesn't wrinkle. This, ooh, I like it, I like it. And how cute with this burgundy cardigan. Who are you? The cardigan is cielo. So I did purchase the red cielo cardigan from Natalie Attired. I like that one. I haven't worn it. It's still a little warm where I live, but I will definitely wear that one. I like this one. I do have a Longline burgundy cardigan. It's not exactly like this. We'll see. We'll see what the price is and how it looks. Next up is a floral top. This is by Les Amis. And okay, this is one of those cross front tops. Let's see, is it open all the way? It is. Wardrobe malfunction. I'm not liking these, and I'm getting these in every single box lately. This one does have the stitch to help hold it closed. This also has some sleeve detail. Does this look familiar? I just tried a top really similar to this. It also is a little bit shorter in the front, but this is such a beautiful color. It is like a teal green with the floral and Les Amis. Let's see how that one looks. Next up, we have something. This fabric feels amazing. This is Chris and Carol, and I can read the tag right here. It says, it is the 3/4 sleeve floral front tie top. It's $42. Let's see. What do these sleeves look like? This feels really soft. I want this one to work because I want this super soft fabric. But it's kind of short. It does have the tie front. I have lots of those and I'm not really so into them anymore. We'll see how this one works. The last piece is by Renee C. I was just talking about how I needed a little bit more purple in my wardrobe, and what a way to add it with Renee C. Look at this one. This one is pretty. Okay, so it is a purple hue, almost like a deep plum, and it's a popover with that design there, and we also have a bit of a puff sleeve, 3/4 length sleeve. Okay, this one looks great. Let's see if this one is rayon. This one is 100% rayon. And there's a little bit of wrinkling on it. You probably can't see it because it's dark, but it did not come to me wrinkled. That's strange, isn't it? That's strange. Okay, but I like this top a lot. I've tried everything on, and this box is great. But I'm looking at the invoice, and the invoice is even better. The price points are really very, very affordable in this box. The entire box, all 5 things, is $211. But like I said before, these really remarkable discounts with Natalie Attired, if I keep everything, that's 30% off. With my styling fee that I've already paid, it brings the total to $133.70 if I keep all 5 things. 5 things, $133. That kind of blows my mind. But again, if I keep 3 or 4 things, I can get 20% off. So I'm always looking for the discount. But I do not want to purchase anything that, number 1, that I already have, or number 2, that I'm not really crazy about. I've done that way too many times. I've just been enticed by a discount. I buy things that I really don't wear. I have a closet filled with clothing with tags that I got at a great price, but I don't wear them, and I'm doing much, much better about that. Thank you to all the ladies that remind me of my commitment to only buy the things I love. And I know when I love something, when I try it on and I start styling it in my head, I think, oh, this jacket and those shoes, and that is a pretty good indicator that the item is going to get used. But anyway, let's talk about the clothing that I received in my Natalie Attired. And the first one is this animal print blouse. I really like this top. I don't think I told you the brand. The brand is She and Sky, She plus Sky. What is this? This is the sleeveless leopard print top. It's $39. This is a polyester sleeveless top. It does have a bit of a swing to the bottom of it, which I really appreciate, and the back is longer than the front. I like that. Okay, when I tried this on, is something going on with this neckline. It's cut very high, I think, in my opinion, because I have several tops cut just like this, the sleeveless polyester shells, and I felt like this split neck hit me very, very high up, and it didn't lay flat. You see that in the try-on. It was a concern of mine, but I love the print, and I like the cut of the bottom of it. So I'm leaning towards keeping this. I would love to hear your opinions on this one. What did you think about the top of this one? It was a little off. Do you agree with me? Am I seeing things? Because I want to buy this. I just don't want to buy a garment that is defective or irregular. It just might be this one. I might be able to exchange this for the exact same size because I do think this was a good fit in the size medium that she sent. So I'm leaning towards keeping this one. I can't wait to hear what you think about it. The next piece is the cardigan, the burgundy Longline Cardigan by Cielo. This one is only $39. That's a fabulous price for a cardigan. And I do like the longer line cardigans. I'm 5'7", so I can wear a longer cardigan. I know some of the short ladies say they have difficulty with it, but I love the longer length cardigans. it's got pockets, so that's awesome. This is really simple. There's not much to it. I mean, not a whole lot of detail. There's a ribbed neckline. It goes all the way down the front, ribbing on the bottom, a small little slit on the sides. It's really nice. I do not need it. I have several burgundy cardigans, and I do have a Longline one as well, but for $39. See, this is what gets me. This is such a good price for a nice quality cardigan, and I mean, it's so basic. It's one that you could style and wear all winter long. So if you are looking for a cardigan, request this one from Natalie Attired, the Cielo Longline Burgundy, or they might even have different colors. I suspect that they do. The next piece is this teal floral number, and this is a faux wrap. But let's talk about the arms first, because we do have that tie detail, and the arm is kind of long. I have some of these tops with the tie detail, but on a little bit shorter sleeve. So that tie does hit my hand. I'm not crazy about that. Just, I only have a few tie sleeve tops, and it's not my favorite style, although I do love sleeve detail. It's not the tie sleeve detail that I love. This is an open wrap, so you would need to wear a cami or something underneath it. It does have this small stitch at the top of it, but it's not enough for me to feel comfortable in it. It does have a shorter front than back. And this is polyester, so I like the polyester. I just don't really care for the style of the blouse, and I am getting lots of these lately. Are these trending right now? I don't like it. I mean, I like the color. I think the fabric is beautiful, but the style is not one that I'm comfortable wearing. The Chris and Carol, on the other hand, I'm comfortable in this one. Okay, so this is kind of a purple. Is it purple? Is it burgundy? It's a mix of both. Ooh, I like this one. Now, this one is rayon. This is 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and that's good by me. It's got like a bubble sleeve, and that's almost elbow length. I love the way this one feels. I think this is a pretty feminine floral. I'm not real big on these big floral prints, but I would make an exception for this top because it feels amazing. Now, this is one of those tie front tops, but I do think the length on it was okay. I worry about them sometimes, and sometimes I don't like them because the length is just too short. I don't want my belly showing. So I'm leaning towards keeping this one. It's $42. You think it's worth it? I think I would wear it. And it would satisfy the purple that's missing in my closet. Last but not least is the Renee C top, and this one is definitely a purple color, and it's really pretty with the blue, red, the print on this. I don't know though. This is a popover split neck style with a 3/4 sleeve that is not elasticized on the cuff there, but I was able to push it up and have the sleeve stay up, and I don't know. I'm just not real crazy about this one. It's $49. It's 100% rayon. It does not feel like rayon. This one, it feels like polyester. I think that's awesome. If there's magical rayon out there that doesn't wrinkle, and wouldn't it be better? I mean, it would be just an answered prayer if we could get some rayon that wouldn't shrink. I don't know, guys. It's not the rayon. It's not the rayon in this blouse. I think it's just the blouse. It's not doing anything for me. I'm not real crazy about it. It's $49, which is par for the course for Renee C, but it's not the price even. This is the most expensive thing in the box. It's not doing anything for me. So yeah, this one will go to a better home than me. So that's my Natalie Attired. What did you think about this box? I really enjoyed trying everything on, and I love the leopard print. Is it leopard print, animal print? I really like that top. I like the way the bottom is cut. I can't wait to hear your comments on that one. And what do you think about the bubble sleeve floral? I think I need that one in my life as well. So I'm looking at maybe keeping those two. I really like to utilize my styling fee. I will buy one or both of those. I don't know. Let me know what you think about the blouses that I received in this Natalie Attired. This is so much fun. I'm really glad that you showed up, that you stuck around to the end. That's really awesome. You're watching this while I am in Las Vegas at my friend's wedding. I'm standing up for my friend, and yes, you do get to see the dress. I am sorry it took this long. I've been busy, and that is no excuse. I know you are waiting to see that dress. If you want to just keep up to date with me while I'm in Vegas, be certain to follow me on Instagram, link below in the description box, and I will be back with some more fun videos. So make sure you're subscribed, give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings. Blessings to all of you.